wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we are going to conduct a speaking mock test for the International English Language Testing System or IELTS taking place in SMP Islam Kreatif Mutiara Anak Soleh. The candidate is
Jian Rizky Maulidia Syahrul,
and the examiner is Anggi Wulansari. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, now let's begin with part 1. In this examination, I will ask you some personal questions about movie, book, and art. So the first question is, do you enjoy reading for pleasure?
Well, to be honest, I admit that. But usually when I have a free time, for example, when on holiday, and I love to read fiction book, novel, fairy tale, history, and also fiction book, which I can read cover to cover in a few time. But usually, if I have like an urgent need, I just can read cover to cover in a few days.
Okay, so the next question is, would you rather watch film or read in your free time?
So from my point of view, I like to distract myself by watching movies rather than reading, and I love to watching comedies and also adventure movies, and I had horror genre. Yep.
Okay, the last question for you is, what was the last book that you read and would you recommend it?
So if I'm not mistaken, I just reread Landlius House for Ellie. So that book tell about there's someone that trying finding a way out of their life. So um, it's such a great read.
Alright. Okay, now we can move to the second part of this examination. In this part, I'm going to give you a question card about movie, book, and art, and you should talk about it for about 2 minutes. But before that, you have 1 minute to think what you are going to say, and you can take some notes in your card. Any question? No. This is your card, and this is the pen, and your 1 minute start from now. Okay, your 1 minute is over. Now you may talk what you have written in your card.
So when and where you saw it? So I saw it at 9 p.m. and I watched it at my home. And usually I watch it in a TV channel called Mentari TV. And what type of film it was? So the the film that I the type of film that I watch is animation film. And what the film was about? So the film that I watched is tells about there's some Pokemon trainers and also these Pokemons and to like adventure together. And also they they meet they meet rivals and they fight their rivals too. And also they catch various types of Pokemon. And explain why it is your favorite film. So the reason the reason I like this film because the animation is no less cool, and also the story is easy to understand.
Okay, do you want to add another information? Okay, I will give you some questions about films because I noticed that you prefer to watch film rather than reading, right? So, do you enjoy watching alone or with other people?
So I like to watching alone
Yes. Why do you think so?
because
Why? It makes you more enjoy to watch or what?
yes, I can explore myself by watching movies.
Okay.
Alone.
Okay, finish? Okay, now that's the end for the IELTS speaking mock test. So, give applause for you. Okay, so remember that the key for improving speaking skills is consistency. So keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't be afraid to make any mistake. So thank you everyone. That's all for today's session. Thank you for the attention, and let's closing together.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.